TV show. We're going to go into Toys R Us right now, guys. And I've got my what's it?
£2.50. Your money.
And let's go.
We're going into our favourite shop, aren't we, Ellie?
We're going to our favourite shop, Toys R Us, obviously.
What are we buying today?
We are buying 2 pots of slime, and then I'll show you at the end. And I will actually do another video after this. So please subscribe, and then we need to hit that.
Ellie, you need to speak to the camera.
I'll hit that to. Please hit that to 100 subscribers, and then I don't do a giveaway anymore because my mum won't let me on. It's very weird.
No, we will do a giveaway today. Today we'll do a giveaway of a pot of slime. So if everybody comments the favourite colour, we'll show you the colours on another video. We're going to do a next video at home with the slime. We'll give a giveaway away. So let's go find slime.
So first we got the fidget spinner.
Ooh, toys. Ooh, what's in here, Ellie? LOL surprise. It says dunk me in the bath.
Guys, look how small the LOL doll is. Oh my god, what are these?
Nom noms.
Nom noms celebration, guys. What else? Look. I thought that was JoJo, see you again, nice. I was like,
Ellie, what's over here? What's your favourite thing? We are going to be doing a Shopkin video because Ellie's got loads of Shopkins, so we'll do that.
And there's a Hatchimal here, Mum. Obviously, I love Hatchimals.
Come.
We need to buy one whenever. Someday we'll buy one and we'll do it. Right, I've got this. Let me see if I can find any footing. Look at this, guys. Isn't this weird?
Minions. What do minions do, Ellie? Nom 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 nom. Mini.
That's weird.
Tic Tacs. They have little minions on them.
They have little minions on them. Are they for kids?
Yeah.
Guys, look at this.
Beauty and the Beast.
This is actually like a real version of a version of all that. So, well, Mum, you have to get me one of these one day.
Very cute, aren't they?
Uncle Lee made one of them for
if anybody sees something that they like, that they'd like us to do a video on, say it in the comments and we shall do a video.
But please don't pick this one, watch you, because we can't do it and I have no idea how to play it. Me or we don't. So, yeah. What even is this? Oh.
Should we do a double dare in the shop?
Yeah, we'll do a double dare. What does that mean?
I double dare you to run down the aisle shouting, I'm in Toys R Us. Go. Go, shout. We're just casually causing mayhem in Toys R Us.
I'm actually causing mayhem. We need to make oh cool. Guys,
oh Ellie, press the button. What does it do?
I don't know.
Let's have a look. Lego Friends. How cool is that?
Well, cool. And the set is actually. Let's look for the set. It's right there, guys. We can actually make that happen.
We did come here for slime, but Ellie's obviously we're taking a tour of Toys R Us. Ooh, Legoland.
Lego. Oh, look at that big pizza, guys. With ooh, look at this. A lighthouse. Let me see the front. Ooh, that must be good to sit on, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm absolutely insane with Lego. So I'm like, can you have that one? Can you have that one with Lego? It's like, what's it? Like you can build rides. And there's a turtle, and there's hatchies, and get the limited edition one. We don't want to go down that aisle. I'll tell you guys. Whoa, look at that big plane.
That's pretty cool. It's Barbie.
I've actually saw that before. Oh look! It doesn't have Lego in it.
It does have Lego in it.
Why can't we buy buy it.
Look what aisle we're at, Ellie.
I love this aisle.
What aisle are we at, Ellie?
The Barbie aisle.
The what? Scream it. Tell me.
Barbie aisle.
Woohoo! Oh, look, Ellie, there's the doll you've got.
Yeah,
Ellie already has this doll, as we've seen on previous videos.
Yes. And that, look how big this
Like I said,
is,
if you see anything that you want to see us do a video about, give us a
what
shout
about
out in the
this one,
comments.
guys? How much is it?
A lot of pennies.
Mum probably won't be buying me that.
Look at all the pretty dresses, Ellie.
Look at that.
Whee, twinkly one.
But that's real cute.
Wow.
Real nice. And we got, these are all pretty, but they're not really my style.
Right, come on. What are we coming here for?
Slime.
Let's go find some slime.
Or potty. Potty or whatever. Can't say it. What are the, look at them. They're well cute, Mum. Where I got the you and me dots. Like, this ain't the same, but like you and me, that's you and me. You and me, 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 you and me. That's
There's a lot of
me.
you and me stuff, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a lot of new stuff in here. But guys, look at that dolls. They're really fast now. Oh my god, Mum won't let me have one of them. What? You can actually feed it. Dang. Dang. That baby's got a telephone. Not allowed it, sorry. That's you and me feeding. Well, cute, I could get 2 dolls from me. We're literally just looking around as nowhere, guys.
Right, come on, let's go find some slime. Let's go that way. Because remember, it was at the till.
Yeah, but Mum, where do you think? We have to buy something too.
Yeah, I'm buying some slime.
But guys, right now my mum is just literally going for it.
I can't hear you talking too quick.
1 minute, guys. It's this way. I want to see one with my name on more. It's really cool.
So Ellie's name's Ellie. Ellie.
Where?
Ellie.
Oh, can we buy it,
Yeah.
Mum?
Because
I've
that's
got my
like
own
the cutest
fidgets.
fidget spinner ever. So it has Ellie's name on it.
There's my name on it, guys. Look. Oh, and I'm in the JoJo bow patch, so thank God. I'm in the JoJo bow.
Ellie's got a limited edition one in today.
Look at that one, that's well cute.
That's very cool. I can see slime.
Where? Oh, lift me up. So you can't see the colour. There's no colours here. I can't see any of the colours.
You have to ask her if she has any more colours. You have to wait till she's finished serving.
And I'm just going to have a look at the here, guys. What are you using it?